Hi, dear investors and viewers. We have bring another IPO, which is from the SME segment as well. Vardhavesh Finance presenting Dynamic Service Security IPO 2021. I Dynamic Service and Security Company detail. Dynamic Service Security and Service and Security Private Limited has registered on 22nd November 2016. This company has changed their name with the fresh name Dynamic Service and Security Limited in the 15 July 2020. So in that case, MS Dynamic Services since 2008 and carrying the business manpower services, particularly in the field of mechanizing, cleaning, catering, housekeeping, then conservancy services, security services, catering services, contractual services, logistic and other related services, majorly in Indian Railway and reputed government organization on pan-India level over the 10 years. Miss Rekha Bhagat and the promoters proprietorship MS Dynamic Enterprises since 2010. The principal business into the providing logistic solutions and manpower solution or other related services for varied corporate sectors. Ms. Rekha Devi Bhagat is opening proprietorship concern global services since 2012 and doing the business logistic solution manpower services related services varied corporate services and view similar kind of business activities proprietorship separate banking taken in entities separate resources doing a deploy for the similar activities. Every sage need to integrate the business activities one of a single entity accordingly 2019 and the way of business transfer agreement BTA 5th 30 June 2019 and liabilities including business 3 proprietorship entitled entities where the business transfer the company MS Dynamic Services Security Limited going concern and ongoing government contracts which is already in progress and the same continuity proprietorship till completion respectively project and according to prospective assets liabilities revenue and expenses were done on the name of company. So this company is based in 375 Dakshin Dhari Road, Kolkata 700048 West Bengal, India. And you can find their website dynamic service and security.com. If you see Dynamic Service and Security Company detail, our group has founded 2001 with the intense focus on pioneering security guarding and manpower solutions over this area. This year we have continuously built our capability in the different service sectors, acquiring the celebrated government agencies like Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Railway, and Weibel Technology. Our client retail field player, manufacturing unit, corporate sector, government bodies, education institution, banking, ATM center, small and medium enterprise industries. Size as well, single user. We foster compatibility in our people leverage them our success and expand through ecosystem partner. We believe in continuously upgrading quality of resources and infrastructure to support the ever changing customer requirement. We have a team more than 10,000 plus employee including division manager executive supervisor coordinator assistant workman in marketing and service side administration account. We were professionally managed group of companies having a financial background, industrial security outsourcing and manpower service provider, integrated facility management service, fire safety management, gardening services, watch and ward services, maintenance services, security training program, operation and maintenance service, CCTV installation maintenance, mechanized laundry system, watering train service, site monitoring and response service, catering services, payroll management services, linen distribution, Indian Railway mechanizing, cleaning, control room and allied services, private investigation, conservancy services, housekeeping and janitorial services, padlocking services, electronic surveillance services, cleaning, train stations. Dynamic Service and Security IPO detail. IPO opening date 30th September 2021. IPO closing date 5th October 2021. Fixed price issue. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 51 rupees per equity share. Market lot size 2000 shares. Minimum order quantity 2000 share. Listing at NSE SME. Basis of allotment date 8 October 2021. Initiation of refund 11th October 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account 12 October 2021. IPO listing date 13th October 2021. Pre-issue shareholding 74.02. Post-issue shareholding 48.11. Thank you by Vridvesh Finance and Dynamics Services. They are claiming that this company is into the basically since 25 years. Okay, but where we are not getting anything around details. So right now we are on the page where there is clients are there. ACI, SCI, Bhartiya Rail, that is Indian Railway, PCRA, National Level of Painting and Easy Writing Competition, Calcutta National Medical College, Indian Army, ISRO, Presidency University, Kolkata. Then there is a what is this? Vayu Sena, Nau Sena, Indian Oil, Byte Bin, and Bhartiya Dak. These are their major clients. So if you really wanted to go and find their basically this company, um, we are not going to give the details because this is really means like changing in frequently manners. So that's the reason we are given this whatever available on their website, we have given that only details. That's it. Apart from their draft is also it's questionable.